Okay, hi and a big warm welcome to another Ben Golding Guitar Masterclass. Okay, today we're having a look at an absolute classic bit of soul for you by a fantastic singer. It is the fabulous Dock of the Bay by the amazing, wonderful Mr. Otis Redding. Okay, this one isn't too difficult for you, so it shouldn't give you too many problems, even if you are kind of just starting out-ish. Yeah, it's not too difficult. And as always, what I'm going to do is give you the chords with screenshots for you as well, and then I'm going to go through each section of the song, humming the tune, giving you the chords so you can practice along with me. So let's crack straight on with the chords that you're going to need for this one, and of course if you know them all really comfortably, just get straight on and you can try practicing the song with me, but always freeze the video for a little bit. You want to get comfortable with each chord so you can change fairly well between each one. Okay, but the chords you will need on this one are going to be G, you're going to need a B7, you're going to need a C, you will also need an A7, you will need an E minor, and you will also need an E major, and you will need a D, and you will need an F. Okay, so like I just said, if you're having any difficulty with any of those, pause the video for a bit, just try going through the screenshots and making sure you're comfortable. But if you are ready to go, let's try going through each section of the song, and I'll hum the tune so you can get used to how the chords sit with the melody and practice it, and hopefully you'll get along fine with this one. Okay, so let's start first of all with the verse section of the song, and let me just sing the tune for you so you can see what we're aiming for. So the verse is going to start with a G, and you've got sitting in the morning sun, I'll be sitting when the evening comes, again, watching the ships roll in, then I watch them roll away again, so on, yeah? So obviously you can see the chords on the screen, but let me just hum the tune and give you the chords as I'm playing them so you can practice there. So it's going to go, starting from the G, you've got G and B7, and a C and then A7. Let's try that again. G and B7, and then a C and then A7. One more time. G and B7, and a C and then A7. Okay, so as with the chords as well, if that gives you any problems, maybe freeze the video for a bit and just try slowly practicing it. Okay, let's move on now to the chorus, and again, let me just sing it very quickly so you get an idea. This one's going to go, sitting on the dock of the bay, watching the tide roll away, sitting on the dock of the bay, wasting time. Okay, so again, now let me hum the chords in the background so you can change with me, but try practicing that chorus section. Okay, so you got G and E minor, and the G back to E minor, and G and A7, then to G, E major. Okay, let's just try that one more time, the chorus section. So you have got G and E minor, and a G and E minor, and G and then to A7, then to G, to E major. Okay, and let's have a little look now, the kind of the bridge section. Fantastic song this, isn't it? But the bridge section towards the middle or the end of the song, we have got, again, let me just sing it for you before we try it together. Okay, so you got, looks like nothing's gonna change, everything still remains the same. Okay, so that one you have got G, G, C, D, C, C, and G, and D, and C, C, and G, and D, and C, C, and F, F, and then a D, D. Okay, so let's try that again together. So you got G, and D, and C, and again G, and D, and C. One more G, and D, and C, C, and then F, F, and then a D, D. Okay, so those are all the different bits there. Let's just try now, if we just try a verse into a chorus, into a bridge, and then finish off after the bridge as it would go into the verse section comes in after the bridge, doesn't it? Okay, so let's just try the verse first of all, and I'll hum the tune for you in the background kind of thing. Okay, so we have got sitting in the morning sun, I'll be sitting when the evening comes. Another verse. Watching the ships roll in, then I watch them roll away again. Chorus. I'm sitting on darker bay, watching the tide roll away. Sitting on darker bay, wasting time. Bridge and looks like nothing's gonna change. Everything still remains the same. I can't do what two people tell me to do, so I guess I'll remain the same. Verse. I'm sitting in the morning sun, chorus. And sitting on darker bay, watching the tide roll away. And sitting on darker bay, wasting time. Okay, and also just the outro with the whistling, the beautiful whistling solo at the end. You just got it just basically just fades out with a G. Let's just go in and G, and a G, and a G, and G, and G, and E major. One more time and okay, and that is it. Absolute classic bit of Otis Redding for you. Such a beautiful soul song, but practice that over and over. I'm sure it'll sound great. Like a lot of the songs I do on this, it's pretty popular as a acoustic guitar singer-songwriter song at some of the open mic events that I run in southeast London. But all the best to you. Keep on with the guitar, and I'll see you again soon for more fantastic, fairly easy songs with Ben Golding Guitar. Thank you.